Hello and welcome to the weekly comment from buysilver.org. Last week you might remember that we spoke about a possible breakout from the technical level seen at 38.90 to 41.20, where we're looking for some consolidation of price movement. Here's the chart from last week. You'll see the bounce from the inverted head and shoulders from around about 34.20, 34, all the way up to the current levels between 38.90 and 41.20, where we spoke about some consolidation being required over the next few days. But we also spoke about a possibility of a break above that 41.20 level and the need to see a sustained rally over that, the need for a 2 or 3 day close above. So let's see what's happened this week in the markets. Well, you can see it's been quite a tumultuous week. As many of you will already know, we've had some credit rating downgrade from the S&Ps at the end of the week on the United States issue, and earlier in the week we had the dilly-dallying from US lawmakers, where they couldn't decide whether they were going to raise the debt ceiling or not. Eventually they did. However, as we've covered, this causes its own problems. Let's see what's happened last week. You'll see that at the beginning of the week, where we're pointing now, we started to consolidate at that 38.90 level to 41.20 level, and we went through a couple of days where the markets were looking to try and break out above that 41.20 level. Here's the red line, the top red line there. And on Wednesday, that market broke out, and we really looked to try and move higher. But we spoke about the need to close 2 or 3 days above there to see the market move towards the $50 level that we saw in April. We couldn't do that. The market couldn't do that. And later in the week, we saw this pullback of $2 or $3, and then we're trying to test this 38.90 technical support level. And we indeed on Thursday, Friday, we broke through this level, and the bears got hold of silver, trying to push it down further and further. And here we see a big support level at 37.50, massive bounce off of there, and we're back into this this period of trying to consolidate between 38.90 and 41.20. So we've tried to break out on the upside, we've tried to break down on the downside, to no avail. We're bang in the middle of this support, this support and resistance consolidation phase. We really expect this to go on for another week or so before any concerted movement. We're still looking for the movement on the upside over 41.20 and moving to 50. Last week, just to reiterate and remind everybody, last week we saw several reports from our blog at buysilver.org. Might be worth taking a look at the Deadly and Dangerous Critter series from the Perth Mint that we highlighted on Friday, and also for those of you that are looking for a different style of investment in silver, then we looked at something from the Royal Silver Company out of Panama earlier in the week. So just for now, we'd like to say thank you very much for listening to us. Happy investing. From buysilver.org, let's look at this consolidation phase going on another week or so before we move upwards, buy on dips, happy investing.